I've been in my internship for about a month and a half, and I've loved the experience because it's met or even surpassed my expectations. I originally chose to work with Smith+Nephew because my personal values aligned really well with the company's mission.
I originally chose Smith+Nephew because I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to apply my engineering skill set to the forefront of medical robotics work.
I chose Smith+Nephew because I've known that it's such a great company to work for, and with all of the medical devices that we make, we're able to help so many people around the world.
I found that the company's values really align with my own. Something that really resonated with me was the new corporate brand of helping people regain their lives. I think that really stuck with me, and I knew that this was a company that I wanted to get involved with.
I've had great opportunities for learning moments. Particularly, I think the weekly calls we have with the other interns have been really helpful.
I think my biggest takeaway so far has been that when you put a lot of smart and motivated people in a collaborative space like here in the office, you can really see some amazing innovations and solutions arise from some of the toughest challenges in engineering.
It is great to work with other people and run your data across other people, run it through as many people as you can.
I would say definitely knowledge of the field and the industry itself. Overall, I couldn't say better things about Smith+Nephew as a company. I've been so lucky, and I wouldn't change it for the world.